We'll move on also now to the other results. Remember, there were by-polls in many other states, and we need to focus on that as well. Let's quickly look into that picture. Let's in fact talk about the other states. Like I mentioned, counting is still underway for the by-polls, which were held in 58 assembly constituencies across 11 states in the country. And BJP is emerging as the big winner in most states. BJP is leading comfortably in Madhya Pradesh, which was a prestige test for the 7-month-old Shivraj Singh Chauhan government in the state. And the BJP leads in 21 out of those 28 seats that went to polls. Let's look at Uttar Pradesh. There, the BJP has gained an edge in 5 out of the 7 seats. In Gujarat, BJP is currently leading in 8 seats. So again, it's a developing situation. We'll only come up with the final figures later this evening.
आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी पूरे देश में सार्वत्रिक विजय हासिल कर रहा है, बढ़ोतरी बढ़ रही है। बिहार हो, उत्तर प्रदेश हो, मध्य प्रदेश हो या गुजरात हो, सभी जगह आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में केंद्र की सरकार और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रति लोगों का समर्थन और श्रद्धा, विश्वास, उसका ये परिणाम है।
प्रजातंत्र में जो भी मतदाताओं का निर्णय होता है वो स्वीकार करते हैं और जैसे नतीजे आएंगे मैं बड़े सम्मान के साथ इन 28 सीटों के मतदाताओं को धन्यवाद देता हूं और हम स्वीकार करेंगे, पूरे रिजल्ट तो आ जाए।
Well, Bihar might be the prime focus, but let's not forget 58 other constituencies is where by-polls were held across 11 states. And these are all important states, but among them again, the most important is Madhya Pradesh. And there, the BJP, it seems, is leading comfortably so far in 21 out of the 28 seats. Now, remember, this entire situation emerged because of the sudden change that happened in the regime with the BJP taking over. Many of the rebels had to go in for a re-election, and their fate is in fact at stake today. 28 of those legislators